Bye. Right. Bye. Right, it's working then. Hopefully. Yeah, finally it's working and I have got some videos. Yeah, what we'll try and do is then, when we try and get home tomorrow, we've got to try and delete some. Or if we go back to the hotel, we're going to try and delete some, couldn't we?
Don't delete anything there.
I know. Because this is what I mean, because it's like the other wife and then... I'm not. Look, I mean, we've always been hard that Chris has done the bathroom. It's... Yeah, that's the problem.
It's not. Your videos.
Well, this is getting kind of boring now. Oh, we've got another train. Right, it's working now then, it's all working, we're good to go. Then, it is working now. Probably too much Norwich. And too many photos. In it then. Too many photos, too many videos, so that's the problem I think. Oh well, good thing it's working, hopefully. Wow, I am strong actually with this. I'm just like Ross. Got to try and be strong. Get those muscles working. Just like Ross, eh? Ross is the strongest, I'd say. Because I do remember last time we and him had an argument. It's like, oh my gosh, Ross, you're so strong for hitting me like that. I was like, oh wow, Ross, how'd you manage to hit me like? I was like, oh my god. I've never ever seen a diesel train come to Norwich. Right, here's another train just arrived. Oh, fuck off, no. Can't! Austin, this is recording. What is going on tonight? Because yesterday there was a lot of slammed door, and tonight we've only got those trains. What's going on? I don't know what's going on, guys. Oh well, good thing this is working again. Finally this is working for 4 minutes, finally it's working. Jesus. And of course, there's the same one spare train again, which is stupid, don't understand. Probably parked for night was. I mean, yes there was Ozaz, because there was a sandal right there, sandal right there. It's different, I mean today you've got lot of trains now. Can't believe this. I should delete when we went to hotel meals. Too many Shenfields. I mean, too many videos at Shenfield. Too many photos at Shenfield. Too many videos at. It's too many. Wickfords don't really do it because, aren't you, buddy? You're from Wickford, aren't you? Well, South and Miles, but sorry, buddy. But next year you'll be going soon. New trains. Oh, but we won't be around. Nope, sorry, buddy. It's just the way all trains work. In it, Nan. I said to him, I was like, oh, I won't be around next year. That's what I said, I don't want to be around, but it's like, sorry, buddy, but you'll be going next year.
Not so healthy, that train.
What? But Eastman's train's not going.
An obstruction on the line earlier. This train will depart in approximately 9 minutes.
Right, 6 minutes and it's still going. In it, Nan? It's still going.
What's it from the back itself?
What's going on, Nan? I mean, not yesterday night. I mean, we had slam doors. I mean, there was a slam door Great Yarmouth, wasn't there? Can you mention there's the diesel train? It's weird, isn't it? I just had to thought that Lowestoft, well, yeah, Lowestoft train. I just had to thought that's not running anymore. But it is running on it. I mean, yesterday, like, it wasn't running, was it? No, diesel. Have we got no Southend train then? There's 2 Southend trains. We've got this one. What? We've got 2 Nan. I think this is going to be parked for night, I think. Look, Nan, do you know what I mean? There's another Southend train. Never seen 2, have you? Yeah, it's kind of weird, yo. That is super weird. I mean, 2 Southend trains? What? This looks like we're in San Victoria's. Because you got one there. That is absolutely weird, isn't it, Nan? We've got 2 Southend trains. Isn't it, Nan? We've got 2 Southend trains. Got one there? What's going on, Nan? I expect this one's coming too. It's weird, isn't it? 2 Southend trains. That's the Nassau Express, the old one. You're right. You're right, Nan. Do you know? I think we should do one at the hotel, Nan. We should delete the figures balls at the hotel. But when we go back, we're going to sort it all out because it's too many. Right, I'm gonna be like, do you want to come then? Do you want, I'm going to see the Eastman's trains. Are you coming? Right. Alright. Right. It's 9 minutes, still going. Because I don't know why these girls were ready though. It's kind of not doing idiots. Oh, this one's not.